A very heartiest good morning to everyone present here. My name is Goons and I am a student of class 11H. Today I am going to conduct the assembly on behalf of Senior Wing. The theme of today's assembly is global health. When it comes to global health, there is no them. It is only us. The essence of global health equity is the idea, something so precious that health is viewed as a birthright. Now, I would like to call Sanjana of class 12S for the English prayer.
Dear God, we open the doors wide of our school and invite you in. Please be in our lessons and help us to concentrate and learn. Fill us with happiness as we discover more about the world. Guide our creativity to express ourselves in arts, music and movement. Help us to share, care for and love one another. Watch over us and protect us as we run and play outside. Please come and be a part of everything we do today. Amen.
कुपित हुआ मन दूषित जग सारा, कोरोना की मार को सह रहा प्रदूषित है जग हमारा। मन को शांत, तन को स्वच्छ शुद्ध बनाए वातावरण, हारेगा कोरोना, जीतेंगे हम, बनेंगे आत्मनिर्भर हम। अब मैं कक्षा 12वीं H की संजना को हेल्थ इज वेल्थ पर अपने कुछ विचार प्रस्तुत करने के लिए आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी।
Good morning, respected elders, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Sanjana, from class 12S, and I am here to express my views on the topic Health is Wealth. Let me explain what does this phrase mean. Health is wealth is a phrase which means when you have good health, you have everything in your life. Because if you are fit and healthy, you can earn and buy whatever you want. But being financially wealthy doesn't assure you your health, and no amount of money can buy back health once it is lost. So always focus on your health. Be healthy, be happy. Thanks. Now I would like to invite Priyanshu of class 12AS to speak on the topic importance of global health.
Good morning, my dear friends and my dear teachers. Today I, Priyanshu, I am going to speak on the topic of global healthcare. We have witnessed a change in the world since 1978, whether it is politically, socially or economically. But the right to health has not even changed yet. We all human beings belongs to the same race. We all share the same blood. We all share the same hopes and aspirations. Some of us are born with privileges while some of us are born to deprivations. Human health is the foundation for the families and individuals to flourish, communities to prosper and nations to thrive. As the world and its economies are becoming globalized day by day, it is the need of the hour to consider health in the global context. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite Ankit for a beautiful poem.
Good morning to all. Today, I, Ankit, from class 12AS, will recite a poem on the theme Global Health. What is the use of being wealthy if we are not healthy? First, you spend your money in eating. Then your body starts eating. So, when you fall sick, your ball does not get kicked and your team does not get picked. Eating healthy won't make you wealthy, but it will definitely give you a long lifetime span till you become old and tan. So, listen, my dear friends, through hygiene, you can live with a healthy gene. Arise before it's late, otherwise, you will never wake. Stop eating junk so you don't get spunk. Take some sleep, or else you will go deep. Oh, friend, mark my words, otherwise, alas, you will not say a word. So, I want to say, do right, eat light, and live a healthy life. Thank you all.
Good morning, everyone. We cannot undermine the importance of yoga in global health. I, Isha Jagar of 11th S, am going to show you some yoga asana.
Health is the real wealth and not the pieces of silver and gold. Now I would like to call Honorable Meenakshi ma'am for sharing her views on the topic global health.
Good morning, everyone. As we all know that prevention is better than cure, so today I, Meenakshi Mishra, is there in front of you to tell you a few precautions against the COVID-19. Please wash your hands regularly with soap and water, at least for 20 seconds. You can also use an alcohol-based sanitizer. Use face masks whenever you are outside the house. Maintain 1 feet distance with others, or maintain the social distancing also. If somebody is sick, avoid going near to them. Or if you are sick, stay quarantined at home. Doorknobs, tabletops, and other items which are frequently used, please clean them with a sodium hypochlorite solution. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you Meenakshi ma'am for your inspirational words. I hope that we all will follow what respected ma'am has said. Now I enter assembly with the hope that our Mother Earth will soon get free from the clutches of this pandemic. Thank you and have a nice day.